Let us solve plan and investigation question of chemistry paper 6 0620 May June 24. That is question number 4. And the question says bismuth is a metal that has reactivity similar to that of copper. The ore bismuth contains compound bismuth 3 oxide Bi2O3. Bismuth 3 oxide is insoluble in water and reacts with dilute acid to form aqueous solution of salt. The ore bismuth contains no other compounds that are insoluble in water and no other compounds that react with acid to form aqueous solution. This has to be understood very clearly that bismuth oxide is insoluble in water and it reacts with dilute acid. No other compounds are insoluble in water, that means they are soluble. And no other compound react with acid to form aqueous solution, that means they do not form aqueous solution in acid. Describe how you could obtain a sample of bismuth metal starting with a large lump of the ore bismuth. You have access to common laboratory apparatus and chemicals. Basically, we are asked to give extraction of metal bismuth from its ore bismuth. Since ore is given in the form of large lump, so our first step will be to crush it into powder form using mortar and pestle. This will increase surface area for reaction. Next, we will add enough water to the powdered ore so that other compounds get dissolved. Filtering the solution, bismuth 3 oxide being insoluble forms residue and other compounds being soluble in water, they form the filtrate. Now this residue of bismuth 3 oxide is free of other compounds. It can be treated in different ways to get bismuth metal. I will be giving here different methods in which we can proceed further to obtain bismuth metal. You are supposed to write one method out of these. First 3 steps will be common to all these methods. 3 methods are displacement in solid state, electrolysis method and displacement from aqueous solution. In displacement in solid state method, we add more reactive element or reducing agent like carbon or coke to the residue. Step is to heat bismuth oxide and coke, and bismuth oxide is reduced to bismuth metal. In the electrolysis method, we can use molten bismuth oxide or we can add bismuth oxide to dilute nitric acid to make an aqueous solution. Then we can carry out electrolysis using inert graphite electrodes. Bismuth will be deposited at cathode. For displacement from aqueous solution method, we have to form aqueous solution of ore or bismuth oxide by adding nitric acid to it. Bismuth salt will be formed from which bismuth is displaced by adding more reactive element like zinc to the solution, and bismuth will be formed by displacement.